Hey Stampers, this is Barb Reed, the Wexford Stamper, and I'm here to introduce you to a brand new to-go kit. We've had such great feedback about our last month's to-go kit that we feel like this is a great option for all those stampers out there who are really looking for something to do. So our new kit is called Layered with Kindness, and it uses the Layered with Kindness bundle, and we are going to be making 4 cards and a card box. So it's a great way to make something that you can gift to someone if you'd like. And then we also include the directions, so if you'd ever want to make more, you'd be able to. And there's certainly a lot more materials that will be left after you finish that you can certainly do that with your kit. So let's take a look at what things are in the kit. All right. You might have seen a flyer like this posted on my Facebook page, and this kind of tells you everything that's in the kit. But before we look at that, let's look at what the finished product will look like. Okay, this is the finished product. It is a card box, and you're going to open the card box from the top here using your ribbon. And then it is a flap open box. Okay, and inside there will be 4 cards, okay? And it's really up to you how you want to style the front of the card and what type of sentiment you want to put on the front of the card, but you will receive all the consumables that you need to make this card box and 4 cards plus envelopes, okay? And it closes up like that, and then we have a tie around here, along with written directions that you'll get inside your kit. I will also be putting a video tutorial on my page, and I will send you the link when you purchase the kit. All right, well, let's talk about what comes with this kit. All right, the first thing you're going to get with the kit is the Layered with Kindness photopolymer stamp set. I'm sorry, this is a red rubber stamp set. And this includes all your sentiments that you're going to need for the project. Okay, you also will get the Best Dressed Designer Series paper stack. And this is a 6x6 Designer Series paper stack. And this has the paper that you will need to make the box. And we will be cutting and scoring all the paper that you need, so you don't have to worry about trying to figure that out. Along with that as well, you're going to get the Layer Me Lovely punch. Beautiful, nice punch, has lots and lots of options that you can use it for, but this will be the punch that you will need to make your box. There is an additional punch that makes the smaller one, but that one is not included with the kit unless you request it. Okay, any pieces that need to be cut using this punch, I will pre-cut for you. Okay, and I could see my face in that. All right, and the last thing that you're going to get is a full roll of the polka dot tulle ribbon. You're going to need this for your box to open it, and you're also going to need it for each of your cards. Let me show you the cards that I made. Now this one, I just put the purple label on there, and you're going to kind of thread your ribbon through the label and then tie a ribbon on the front of the card. So that's the basic design of each of the cards. Just beautiful, very lovely, very feminine looking, very spring looking. So that is the kit for this month, April. And we will be taking orders for it through the end of the month. And in addition to all these materials here, you will get a kit from me that has all the consumables cut and ready so that you can put together your cards and your card box. All right, so let's talk about the options. The first option is everything that I mentioned here is the punch, the ribbon, the paper, and the stamp set, and all the consumables to make the box. That costs $55, and with shipping and handling, that will be $65.67. If you want the additional punch, that will cost an additional $18. Okay, just message me and if you want both punches. That's option one. Option two is consumables only. So that's going to be this, okay? And that will include the ribbon as well, and that will cost you $20. This is for those who may already have the stamp set and punch, or any of the demonstrators on my team. So let me know which option you'd like, and I think you'll really, really enjoy this kit. Hope to hear from you soon. Thank you. Bye-bye.